or we do not play? You can go with the both the answers. Okay. The last bus dash at midnight. The last bus dash at midnight. Yes, will leave. Next, good students always dash hard. Work hard. Very good. I can hear what you dash. I can't hear you what you dash. Say the word given up, the verb given up for you. No, no. I can't hear what you said. I'll show you the next page. On the top, as you all can see, it's there. Dash anywhere this Sunday. It's being a question asked. So what can be the answer? No, no, for the future part we are asking. Will you be going anywhere this Sunday? Next, my car dash down frequently. It usually used to happen. So what can be the habitual part it is? What will be the answer? My car breaks down. Very good. What dash in my room? What dash in my room? Tell me what will be the answer? No. It's a continuous form, some form. What are you doing? Yes, Kaful has given the correct answer. What are you doing in my room? Very good. So we are done with it. You can check up your answers. I have already sent it to you. Please check that. Shall I start the second one? Okay, we'll start the second exercise. In this exercise, what you have to do, you have to complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in the form of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense can be the simple perfect present tense or the continuous form of the perfect tense. Okay, both the options are there with you. Dash live here since 1981. So in the starting, something is missing. So you can add I or we. Anything you can add. I have been living or we have been living here since 1981. Next, I dash your brother lately. I have not seen. Very good. Next, dash any letters from him. Have you got? Have you got any letters from him? Next, the children dash in the rain for half an hour. The children dash in the rain for half an hour. I'll send up the answers, Muskan. Don't worry, you can check it up from there. Have been standing. Yes, it's correct answer. Have been standing. Next, the children, sorry, we have done this. He is very tired. He dash round the town all day. Town all day. He has been running. Write down. This is the correct answer. Yes, he has been running. Next, it dash here for more than a month. It dash here for more than a month. What will be the answer? It has not rained or it hasn't rained. Next, he dashed to me only since when he moved to Australia. Yes, I'm sending it. He has written to me. Check up this much answers first of all till 7th. I have sent up the answers to you all. Please check it. Then I'll move further. No, he has been written to me. He has written to me only once. He had written the letter only one time. He is not continuously writing up. So a continuous form is not going to come over there in the 7th. Next, 8. The current dash when we dash the dinner. Tell me what will be the answer. Yes, students, what is the answer for this? The current dash when we dash dinner. The current has failed. The current has failed when we had dinner. Next, today he dash at length. Today he dash at length. The verb given up to you is speak. Has spoken. Yes, correct answer. The milkman dash so far, not come. Has not came so far. Yes, the milkman has not came. Check your answers. Please check your answers, students. Shall we move on to the further one? The third exercise. Okay. Come to the third exercise. I'll just show it to you all so that it is visible to you. Okay. The bus dash while I dash in. The bus dash. The bus has started while I got in. Has started. Next, dash here before. Dash here before. What will be the answer? Will you? Yes. Will you be here before? Someone is asking to someone that will he be able to come or not. So that's a future sort of a question. Will you be here before? The play dash. The play dash. What is the answer? Has just begun. Yes. Has just begun. What is the third form of begin? Begin, began, begun. Has just begun. Next, since we dash him. Since we dash him. Since when dash him? Sorry. Okay, sorry, we have left the four. We dash our dinner half an hour ago. What will be the answer? We had finished. We had finished our dinner half an hour ago. Okay. Coming to the sixth, she dashed me yesterday. What will be the answer? She dashed me yesterday. She met me. Yes. Next, I dash him on his success. I dash him on his success. I congratulated. Very good. The chairman dash short speeches. The chairman usually dash short speeches. Makes. Yes, makes is the correct answer for this. The boy dashed down while he was dashed. The boy dashed down while he was dashed. So the answer is the boy fell down while he was running. The boy fell down while he was running. Next, who dashed to when dash in? Who dashed to when I dash in? Who? You were talking to. Please check your answers. I've sent it to you. Please check your answers. Students, all of you, so that we can proceed further after that.
यहाँ तक तो आ ही जाता है, यहाँ पर बोर्ड भी आगे आ जाएगा, वैसे रख ले।
Have you all checked up your answers? Please give me a thumbs up so that I can move further. You're done? Very good. Very good. Now the fourth exercise is complete the sentence with correct past tense of the verb given in brackets. Okay. Now we have to fill up these ones with the correct past tense form. Okay. It would have been better if you dash there. It would have been better if you dash there. If you had waited there. Next, I would have come earlier if I dash you were here. If I knew. Very good. After reciting the poem, she dashed down. She sat down. If only he dashed me. If only he dashed me. Helped me. Please check up your answers. So this much we will be doing up today, and tomorrow we will be doing the further exercise